Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh. Welcome everyone to my class on statistics. So, guys, in this class, I'm going to discuss the problems related to equation when it comes to correlation coefficient calculation. So, in CA Foundation exam, we'll get questions like this. Okay, where probably we need to expect to solve questions based on Carl Pearson coefficient correlation. Okay, you can see this question. Okay, so here if you see this question, here in this question you can see that they have given us the correlation coefficient between x and y as zero point 0.8, and then we need to find the correlation coefficient between u and b based on these four equations. Okay, so this is the problem which I'm going to solve here. So before I do this problem, I just want to give you a small introduction about how we need to proceed with the calculation. Okay, guys. So the general formula what we follow here when it comes to correlation coefficient calculation, that your R of xy is equal to B into D divided by modulus of B modulus of D into U into V. Okay, this is the formula, guys, where B and D are the slope of two equation. You may get a equation, you may get the equation of x on u. Okay, you may get the equation of x on u. So in that, the slope of that equation, let that is b. Okay, and similarly you got the equation of, you might got the equation of y on v. Okay, then let the slope of that equation is d. Okay, I hope you know what do you mean by modulus sign and all. The same concept of modulus we have discussed while we are discussing about the concept of measure of dispersion. Measure of dispersion, we use only one slope. Okay, because it was univariate data calculation. Here, because this is bivariate data calculation, so we are going to use two slopes here. Okay, so general way, guys, if you're not very good with maths and all, you're not understanding what is the slope and all, you just need to see the equation, and after you see the equation, you just need to find the, you just need to see the sign of b and d. Okay, you need to find b. How will you find b, guys? So for the b, the general way of finding b would be, you write the equation as u equal to x minus a by b. Okay, so this is your b. Similarly, your v equal to y minus c by d, guys. So this is your d. So you just need to focus on what is b, what is d here. You just need to focus on b and d here. Okay, you just need to find their values, and then you just need to see the sign of b and d, guys. So if the sign of b and d are same, if the sign of b and d are same, okay, if the sign of b and d are same, so the r of xy will be equal to r of uv. Similarly, if the sign of b and d are opposite, if the sign of b and d are not same, maybe one is positive, other one is negative, one is negative, other one is positive. So if they are not same, then r of xy will not be equal to r of uv. Means not equal means you can say they have opposite sign. You can say r of xy will be a negative sign of r of uv. Very simple, guys. I'll tell you. You might be finding it difficult and all. You would be wondering what sir is doing. But let me do the problem. You'll understand. Suppose this is the problem, guys. Okay, so you know in this problem that your r of xy is 0.8. You know this, right? R of xy is 0.8. Here, what you need to see when you see the equation, you just need to see the sign of b and d. So for this equation, so if I take this first equation, so this is 2u plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So you can write 2u equal to minus 3x minus 4. So you can write u equal to minus 3 by 4 x. You can write u equal to minus 3 by 4. Sorry. You can write u equal to minus 3 by 2 x minus 4 by 2. You can write minus 2. Can you get it? So what is b, guys? Minus 3 by 2. I don't want what is b. I just want the sign of b, guys. Can you understand? B is negative. Similarly, for the same 4v plus 4 4v plus 16y plus 11 equal to 0, guys. I just want the sign of v. So 4v equal to minus 16y minus 11. So v equal to minus 16 by 4y minus 11 by 4. So here guys, what is the sign guys? What is the sign of D? Sign of D is like this is minus 4, right? So D is equal to negative. So I just want the sign guys. Both are same sign, no? B and D same. So R of XY will be equal to R of UV. So the here the value of R will be 0.8. Can you understand? So the formula, if you go with the formula that R of XY is B into D by modulus of B into D into R of UV. So you need to understand that whatever you do, two possibilities there. Either the R of XY will be the R of UV or the R of XY will be negative of R of UV. Only two answers are possible. For all the question you answer is either 0.8 or either minus 0.8. That you need to identify by after getting the sign. Once you get the sign, that you need to identify it. Clear everyone? So if you see this equation, you don't have to solve guys, you just bring this side. So this would be positive. So this would be positive. If you bring this side, this would be negative guys. This is positive, this is negative. So your answer will be minus 0.8. You just see this, bring this side, this would be positive, no, this would be positive, this is minus, if you go this side it become positive, this is minus, if you go this side become positive, so your answer will be 0.8. Now this is plus, if you go this side it become minus, so this is negative, this is minus, if you go this side become positive, so your answer will be minus 0.8. Simple guys. I hope you are getting. If you pay attention, R of XY, this is a formula BD by modulus of B modulus of D into R of UV. So understand that this B, this is B also, this is B also. So anyway, they will cancel. Only thing is that if B is positive, then modulus of B anyway would be positive. So this when it get cancelled, it become 1. Similarly, if B is negative, so but the modulus of B would be positive. So if B is negative, so then negative divided by positive, then it would have been minus 1. I hope you are getting it. Anyway, this and this will cancel. What matters is the sign. If this is negative, this anyway will be positive. So negative by positive, you will get negative. If this is negative, if this is anyway would be positive. Negative by positive would be negative. Negative into negative would be positive. So you just need to see the sign. I hope you are getting me. You just need to see the sign. So if you bring this, you just see this. This is plus. So this will be minus. If you go to RHS, this is plus. If you go this side, it become minus. Minus into minus, positive. This is minus. If it go this side, positive. This is plus. It go this side, negative. Positive, negative. So answer is negative. I hope you are getting the concept, guys. So this is the intention of doing this class, just to make an idea about that whenever you get the question of equation and all, you should not get confused in exam, because questions will be very easy, guys. Okay, so a couple of questions which I found here also. So here also I found something like this. If you see this question 6 like this, in exercise also couple of problems are there. So this video I'm doing for CA Foundation students who are preparing for CA Foundation exam and they have doubt with respect to correlation coefficient concept. If you see here, guys, if it go this side, it become negative because this sign is positive. If it go this side, it become positive. So positive, negative, answer is negative. So if this is 0.8, so if R of XY is 0.8, 0.58, so R of UV will be minus 0.58. Can you understand? This is your answer. That's it. I hope you understood this. So thank you everyone. Take care. Bye everyone.